precedents are very rare. I mean, you know, like very few come, and this point is a novel point, and you said this, it's never happened that no inquiry has been conducted. Now we want to just see whether, I'm not doubting your statement, but Mr. Salahuddin and Mr. Khaja Haris Saab may tell us no, there are other cases where also inquiry were not held. We would want to know what is the world practice, whether it can be done without an inquiry of the nature that you are setting. We want to know about freedom of expression, of what judges can and cannot say, because one is, I mean, even Khaja Sahab was not very confident on which particular misconduct it is. I mean, publicity, I mean, so that allegation was not leveled. First allegation should have been leveled, you were seeking publicity. So anything else you want to say, please do so. Otherwise, this will be, we'll consider it reserved. ठीक है, लिख लें आज कोई है लिखने वाला ऑर्डर, आप इसमें लिखें.
2 weeks time.
Sir, I need only 1 week to have a comprehensive note on.
आप देखें, आप आजकल जरा बहुत सारे केसेस आ रहे हैं, and all of them require a lot of thinking and detailing. So we'll certainly give you more than a week. I mean, it's not that. इसमें लिखिए. We've heard the notices were issued to General Lieutenant General retired Faiz Hamid and Brigadier retired Irfan Rame, and
he's not retired, my lord. We corrected that. He's still in service.
Okay, and Brigadier Irfan Rame, and is he still a brigadier or is he?
He's still brigadier.
And Khwaja and Senior Counsel Khaja Haris has entered appearance on their behalf and states that he's filed CMA numbers 267 and 268 of 2024 attending to the allegations leveled against them by the petitioner. So full stop. Learned Senior Counsel Mr. Wasim Sajjad states that he represents Justice Muhammad Anwar Kasi, former Chief Justice of the Islamabad High Court, and has filed CMA number 253 of 2024 attending to the allegations pertaining to him.
3 CMAs filed.
हाँ? एक से काम नहीं बना वसीम सजाद साहब. चलें वो लिख लीजिए. Full stop. Notice was also issued to the former Registrar of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, Mr. Arbab Muhammad Arif, who has filed CMA number 270 of 2024. ठीक है, full stop. Next paragraph लिखिए. We've heard Mr. Learned Senior Counsel Hamid Khan for the petitioner and Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed for petitioner in CP number. आपकी कौन सी है Salahuddin साहब? हाँ? 15. आपकी CP का नंबर क्या है?
I'm sorry, my lord.
What's your CP number?
15 of 2020, constitutional petition.
15 of 2020.
20.
एक और भी है apparently. And two CP's number 2 and 15 of 2020.
221.
Number check कीजिएगा please, ठीक है? Full stop. We've also heard Mr. Learned Senior Counsel Messrs. Wasim Sajjad and Khaja Haris. और कोई तो नहीं, यही सब हो गए. Full stop. And the Learned Attorney General for Pakistan. Full stop. Assisted by Malik Javed. Assist किया था या उन्होंने आपको assist किया? अच्छा, Malik Javed. Full stop. a number of full stop. Assistance. इसमें लिखिए legal learned counsel may submit their concise statements.
Written synopsis.
Precise. My lord adds precise and concise. Statements with regard, amongst others, to the following queries which arose during the hearing. Colon, फिर आप इसको 1, 2, 3, 4 कर लें. Whether an inquiry was conducted by the Supreme Judicial Council, comma, and if not, was it a constitutional or legal requirement, and if it was, the consequences of the failure to do so. Question mark. Whether, if the consequence of doing so. Number 2 लिखें. The consequence इसमें लिखते हैं whether that since in the interregnum, that since during the pendency of CP number 76/2018, CP number so and so लिखते हैं was filed on, कौन सी तारीख को फाइल हुई थी? 76
October 2018.
वो डेट ले लीजिएगा, 18 October 2018, and the petitioner attained the age of 62 years
30th of June 2021.
on 30 June 2021, comma, whether, what, if any, how can the matter now be attended to if the petition is to be allowed, okay, if he is to be granted, allowed, if he is to be granted relief, whether, including whether the matter can be remanded to the Supreme Judicial Council. Anything else?